Hey guys, today's video isn't really all that exciting. It's just me saying that I have gone ahead and deleted my Patreon account. So not huge news, but I thought I wanted to share it with some of you guys. And I really appreciate people who support my work. Like, I can't express my gratitude enough. It is so humbling when somebody reaches out and gives you something without you even asking for it. And I really appreciate that. But I don't like the way Patreon as a website is going. They seem to be amongst a group of big tech companies who are sort of the moral Puritans of the day, just like, you know, the Catholic Church and the Salem witch trials, burning people at the stake for ideas they didn't like. It seems to be the new way of doing things, and I'm going to stand against it. And I know I'm a small voice in this, but I'm standing amongst some great people who have also took a stand against where Patreon has gone. They've been silencing and deleting accounts of people who they don't like the sound of the words that come out of their mouth. And I don't like that. I'm a free speech absolutist, including the speech that I detest, because I think any form of prohibition doesn't actually get rid of it. It just festers and it goes underground, just like making drugs illegal doesn't make drugs disappear. Making guns illegal doesn't make guns disappear. It just means that it goes underground. And I'm a true believer in the idea that the greatest disinfectant is sunlight and air. So I think speech is just the same. Needless to say, this is where I have decided to put my money where my mouth is. Now, Patreon wasn't a huge thing for me. The only reason I created a Patreon account is because I had a number of people ask me to do so, that they wanted to support my work, and I'm very grateful for that. But there's other ways to support me. People have been making donations to my show through PayPal, which those links are in my videos, and this video is not about me asking for donations. You do not need to donate anything to me. If you feel that you have got a lot out of my content and you feel that you would like to share, I'm not going to turn you away, of course. So thank you for those of you who do. But you know what? The best way to support me now is to join my website, fromthefield.farm. And it's funny that I'm saying this now because I can't really promote fromthefield.farm right now because we've closed the registration. We only do it in 2-week intervals, 4 times a year, so the next one is going to be in April. And if you want to join up then, just go to fromthefield.farm and go to sign up, and you'll be added to a list, and you will not be spammed on this list. I will not email you weekly or anything like that. You will only get an email when the next launch occurs so that you can be the first in the gate. So yeah, that's it. I've gone ahead and deleted my Patreon account. I got a list of everybody here who has made significant donations to me on Patreon, and you have got an email from me. Some of you actually already joined From the Field, so it's amazing the generosity of some people and their support for my work. I really appreciate that. So I've added some years to your accounts, or I've just created accounts for you, or for people on like the lower end of the donation scale, I've sent you discount codes to join up and stuff like that. So anybody who has donated anything is going to get an email from me with a little discount code. And again, I really appreciate those of you who support my work. And I never ask for these things, but some people want to share the generosity, and I really appreciate that. So have yourselves a great day, you guys, and we'll see you tomorrow in my webinar with Diego Fuder and Eric Schultz. So we'll just be on YouTube Live right here talking about some game-changing stuff that happened for Eric at Steadfast, and Diego and I will be talking about some new and exciting developments happening at Paperpot Co. So that's tomorrow, Wednesday at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. All right, guys, take care.